Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. I'm Brandon. This is Ben with Belmont Solar. Today, the solar question that we are answering is, what is net metering? I feel like this term gets thrown around, but it's kind of complicated to understand.
Yes, you cannot see virtual net metering. However, it's just a simple way of keeping score. There are times when you're producing a lot more power than what you can use. So net metering is a way of keeping track of what you're producing, and those credits you can use at a later time. So it's kind of like a bank account. You can put cash in and you can take it out at a later date or even a different location. And it does not turn out to be the exact same $20 bills or whatever you used. It's a good way of keeping track.
So that's a great way to explain it. I've never heard that before. So if I deposit $20 bills into my bank account and then 2 weeks later I go to an ATM and I withdraw $20 bills, I'm withdrawing the same amount that I deposited, but probably not the same physical bills. So it's the same deal.
Exactly. So it's a way of keeping track of your energy excess.
I love it. Guys, I hope that was helpful. That made sense to me. We'll catch you next time.